The Hiligaynon word buhin means to decrease or to subtract. Buhin. Buhin. Nagbuhin ang kantidad, it means the amount decreased. Kantidad is the amount. So nagbuhin ang kantidad. Nagabuhin sila sang oras sa buluhaton. They are reducing the time for the work. Oras is hour or time, and then buluhaton is like work. So nagabuhin sila sang oras sa buluhaton. Buhinan niya ang kalamay sa kape. He or she will lessen the sugar in the coffee. Kalamay is sugar and then kape is coffee. So buhinan niya ang kalamay sa kape. Hindi magbuhin ang kalisod. That means the difficulty were not decreased. Kalisod is a difficulty or a challenge. So hindi means not. So hindi magbuhin ang kalisod. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word buhin means to decrease or to subtract. Buhin.